In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run reports in Docusign. We're going to walk through this process step by step, so you'll be able to generate the reports you need in just a few minutes. Whether you're new to Docusign or looking to refine your reporting skills, this guide has got you covered. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Docusign website. This platform is the leading choice in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, and you can access it by visiting their homepage. Once the page has fully loaded, you'll be met with the option to log in. Locate the login button, which is usually situated at the top right corner of the website, and click on it. Enter your credentials, your email and password, and navigate to your account. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, be sure to complete that step to secure your login access. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. This is the central hub where you can access a variety of features that Docusign offers. Among these features, you'll see a tab labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on this tab. The report section is a powerful tool that lets you analyze and manage your document workflows, so it's an essential feature to be familiar with if you're managing multiple agreements or signatures. With the Reports tab open, you'll notice several options related to reporting. What we're looking for today is the My Dashboard option. This is the visible interface where all your reporting data comes together, allowing you to customize and pull the insights that matter most to you and your team. Click on My Dashboard. This will take you directly to a page where you can begin the process of analyzing your document data. From My Dashboard, you can view various metrics and insights tailored to your specific needs. You can keep an eye on document statuses, the time taken for signatures, and much more. It gives you a clear picture of your document workflow, allowing you to make informed decisions about your agreements. This page is incredibly user-friendly, and if you hover over each section, you'll notice small information icons that provide additional details about what that feature does. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can now access and run reports in Docusign seamlessly. It's an extremely efficient way to keep track of your documents and ensure your workflows are running smoothly. Thank you for following along with me today, and I hope this guide helps you leverage the full power of Docusign's reporting features. Until next time, happy reporting.